What is going on, everybody? It is time to get it. Let's go. We have the charts ready. Yours truly. What is going on, guys? Just drop a comment if you're still here, so I just know who I'm speaking to. Okay. Okay, let's go. So guys, we have US 30 right about now. But as usual, just gonna do a quick poll, a quick Q&A. Today is Thursday. So the week is nearly over, guys. We all know that. Since it is Thursday, well, the trading week is nearly over. So guys, let me know. How has your trading week been so far? Good or bad? We also classify break even good because you didn't lose or anything like that. No, saying I have never taken part in a giveaway for TFF. I just give away the accounts on the streams. Okay, CC4. But yeah, we're just gonna quickly take a look at US 30. So guys, the YouTube members, we had a setup already for today. We've actually already hit our first TP, believe it or not, guys. So I'll quickly show you a quick screen grab of our trade that we took today, this morning. So as you can see here from the screenshot, this was at 11 in the morning, my time. Price made a higher high, came back, higher low area. So we were just trying to literally just trading the retracement from this low to this high to the new low to the next high. So this is the before screenshot, guys, and boom, this is the after screenshot taken at 2 o'clock, as you can see over here. So two beautiful trades, two beautiful trades. Well, one beautiful trade, may I say, that the YouTube members have eaten today. So we're gonna go back into US 30 and just see, can we take any more setups, or is there anything available for us today for today's session. So first things first, in yesterday's session, the late night session, I did tell you guys we're going to target 353.112. This was on the other US 30 charts that we look at on Black Bull. As you can see, we had our target over here, 35316, which literally got a hit, I believe. Yeah, 35316 got a hit. And our other take profit, 35375, has not been hit yet, but our first TP has been hit. That is beautiful to see. So let's go back to 8 cap and just dissect the charts a little bit. So this is today. This is what is happening today, guys. Okay, so jumping into the 1 hour time frame. Into the 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, just gonna go into the line chart. We have literally just made a new high, kind of. We have just broken structure. Do you give TFF in this stream or only in their stream? Come on, bro. You should know. This stream has nothing to do with TFF. This is my own stream on my own channel. So the answer is no. There's no giveaways on this account, on this stream. This stream we literally just look for trade setups and take them. On the Forex Funder stream, we basically just take a look at the charts all day, and if we see a setup, I'll just, you know, it's more of like a Q&A type of thing. But this is where the magic happens over here, on this side, on this stream. So yeah, currently price kind of just made a new higher high. As you can see, we have literally just about broken this level of structure. Boom, as you can see, which is good. So next up, we will take a look at the watch list. So the markets have opened, and let's see what we're looking like. Zach. What is good, G? Okay, so yeah, we are looking bullish today from the watch list. Prices up. It's not really moving. Then again, I believe today is a holiday. So let's take a look and see what's happening right now. So at the moment, momentarily, we are actually bullish. Boom. Let's go back to the candlestick chart. So we are bullish. This was a setup we had taken. Yeah, US holiday today. So the setup we had taken was boom, 1, 2, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now we are going to maybe make a new higher low to continue pushing, but we will see. I'm trading every account. You name it, every account, I'm trading it. So this trade has already happened. On to the next setup. Price might come back to that top area for 1:2. Reason I'm saying that, as you can see, we have a break of structure on the 15. Price is now here. Boom. And if it does continue to push like this, could go to, this is the target we actually wanted. Broski, what are you talking about? There's no setups. Can you not see we're literally looking at a setup right now? Just because it's a bank holiday doesn't mean nothing. The show always goes on, man. Literally. Money is still being printed as we speak. So no, I'm not going to end my stream because it's a bank holiday. Not a chance. This trade is a 1:7. 1:7. It's literally around the risk-free area. But yeah, 1:7. When we're about 3% in profit, let's go risk-free. So once we target this wick, you guys already know, it's a risk-free thing. So go risk-free. You want to take a look at gold, Mr. Sayan? Ask and you shall receive. So I haven't taken a look at gold in a few days. I was literally just waiting for it to develop itself. So the last time we looked at gold, guys, was 2 days ago. And it appears to be playing in our favor from the looks of it. I'm going to jump into the 4-hour time frame so you guys can see basically what I'm seeing here at this moment in time. I'm going to get rid of the session breaks. We don't need them no more. And yeah, so to quickly sum it up, guys, here we had a break of structure, as you can see. If you're unable to identify that break of structure, hop into the line chart. Look, break of structure, boom. So what I did then was draw my Fibonacci from the low to the high, like so, and just waited patiently for price to come to my zone, which is the 7860, 6180 area. You can just go back and watch one of the lives from 2 days ago. You see how we explained this. And prices at entry, it literally came to the wick, as you can see, and now it's pushing up. We are going to target to minus. So which fib is this? Yeah, so the target is minus 27. So this trade is a 1:4. Currently, it did go up to 1%, but now it's literally back in about, right now it's literally about 1.1% in profit. And what's going on, man? So hopefully we still have a bullish run on this. So yeah, that's my views on gold, Mr. Sayan. I'll get rid of this for now. And yeah, so as you can see, gold is literally trending. Would our TP get hit? We don't know. We can't control the market. Let's not forget that. We don't control the markets at all. We can anticipate what's going to happen, but that's about it. Like, at this point, if you wanted to, like, you can call this a double top. You can call this a lower low, lower high. If you're that afraid that you don't think it's going to hit TP, then go for sells. Lower low, lower high. Maybe price can continue to drop. Break our trend line. it's always a game about probabilities. What's the probability of it pushing towards the minus, even the 0? Even if it comes to 0, this is still a 1:3. So on the 1 hour time frame, big level of imbalance, price came right back, and that's what's happening right now. So yeah, a lot can happen. Literally a lot can happen. So let's quickly jump back to US 30. This position is currently pushing. Right now it did go up to 1.7, but this is a 1:27. If this hits, that's a challenge passed, kinda. If you just risk over 1%, maybe like 1.5% or so. Back to the 15-minute time frame we go. So as you can see on the 15-minute time frame, guys, price is literally higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Potential to continue to push. But the only thing I don't like about this is on the 1 hour, if I have my new Fibonacci from here to here, it hasn't quite retraced to my favorite area. So there is a chance you could get taken out this trade, but there's also a chance price could just do 1, 2, 3. Boom. Saying you're asking me too many questions, man. You want to see my open position? Wait until the end of the week. There's a video coming out. Because low-key, you give me hater vibes. I'm not going to lie to you. You give me hater vibes. And it's weird. We out here, we're streaming. Every day we hop on a stream. This is where you find me. Between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Matter of fact, saying, you show me your positions. Show me your positions, Mr. Saying. How about we do that? Anyways, if you say so, Mr. Sand, if you say so. Okay. We had a position on GJ the other day from the TFF live stream. I believe this trade is still pushing. Literally, it's still pushing. If this thing loads, so this is the 1:8, guys. 1:8. Right now it is floating 5% in profit. This trade was found on the daily time frame, as you can see. Boom, boom, boom. It's not a bad question to be asking. I'm just saying, I've just noticed whenever I'm streaming, you be asking me weird questions, man. Weird questions. Looks like somebody notices that too. We're just here to stream, you know, we're here to take a look at trades. And now we have this guy playing victim saying, is it bad to ask? It's not bad to ask. But why? What difference does it make to you? What difference does it make? Because if you put it this way, yeah, I'll show you a setup. I'm in a trade. Let me just say the trade is floating $7,000 in profits. Stop flexing. Some would say, you know? So that's why we just come here and we just do strictly setups. Literally. Strictly setups. Okay, I'm sure you respect every trader, man, if you say so. But anyway, I feel like I'm giving you too much attention in that type of way. But yeah, you do you, man. You wanna keep being weird? Do what you gotta do. But anyways, I'll be on the stream tomorrow. TFF live NY session. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. So right now we're literally just looking at US 30. It can go one of two ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5, 6 to continue pushing, or price can just violate and come towards the downside. There's always going to be two scenarios, never one, always two. Just choose the one that has a high outcome. Okay, yeah. So let's see where this trade goes. This is a trade from the other day. It's no longer active. So just always update and just do some cleaning up. So our first target got hit. So now let us focus on our second target. So second target is pending. Boom. Bulls are back. The Bulls are back. If you wanted a 10K account, that's all you had to say. You don't have to be weird about it. But I ain't giving you no 10K account. No way. Am I shooting for the stars by thinking this is gonna be a 1-7? Maybe. Matter of fact, I'll give Simon the 10K. Mr. Simon Minter, you want the 10K? You can have it. So we have DENZELFX. There can only be one. There can only be one of us. Yo, Denz. I'm sorry to say this, but I'm gonna have to kill you. On a further note, US 30 is pushing. I think we're gonna hit our TP today. TP is gonna get hit. Exactly, John. I'm giving away some good trades here for free. But you already know. Mr. DENZELFX, I've got a question for you. If you're still here. Is it Denzel? But something tells me your name is Dennis, not Denz. I just have a feeling your name is not Denz, it's Dennis. Yeah, so my question to you, man, what's your name? Like, what's your first name? It'd be weird the fact that if your name is Denzel and your name is DENZELFX, it's like, yo, we live in a small world. Looking for 1:7 here, guys. I believe that 1:7 is gonna play. Because price is pushing. It's pushing P, guys. It's pushing P. Ah, Dennis, I was right. I just had a strong feeling. Alert has been hit. Alert has been hit. Let's go. Yo, I actually watched some of your videos, you know. Your videos are cool. Real cool. But my ethnicity, take a guess before I tell you. Keep up the videos as well, man. I saw you pass the funding pips challenge. That was a nice video. Literally. So I believe this trade is already a 1:3. Bow. Take profit. TP hit. Yes, sir. TP hit. So guys, I believe today we are 2 for 2. Our first trade we took this morning. This is before. This is after. Of course, this is not a live. It wasn't on the live stream. This is for the YouTube members. If you want to get that membership, let me know. Let me know. Literally. Let me know. So yeah, that's trade number 1 for the day. That was 1:2.8, as you can see from the screenshot. And right now we are literally 3% in profit, and we're risk free. That's 2 for 2. All in the space of a couple of hours. Let's take a look at Euro USD. I haven't looked at that pair in quite a while. Ooh, so Euro USD had retraced. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, as you can see, Euro USD. Right. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, lower low, lower high. Very simple. What happens next? We're expecting price to hit our zone to continue to push, preferably towards our area of interest. But let me just quickly go into weekly time frame. Appreciate that, Jasmar, and vice versa, man. All I can say is when you're doing the YouTube thing, you can't you can't what's the word, the momentum basically, like that has to keep on going and going and going and going. You can't run out of ideas. You drop a video today, you need to drop another one next week, the week after. Yeah, so just kind of being consistent. Yes, on the weekly, nothing too special. We're in the impulsive phase of the market right now on the weekly time frame, as you can see. Daily, we have something interesting. Let's see how this looks full screen. We hit a level of resistance, boom, on the daily time frame. So we can expect two things from this point, guys. We can expect price to continue to push up and hit our TP, or price to actually respect this level inside the market. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw a trend line from here and push it up. So scenario number one is in the blue arrow. Scenario number two is something like this. Either way, we're ready. You know, Patrol FX, what is going on? But these are the two outcomes. It's either we're going to hold the buys towards our TP, or see if price breaks the structure or anything like that. Next up, GBP USD. So GU, it looks like our analysis is actually playing out. We had a lower low, we had a lower high. Price came back towards the lower low area. And yeah, so now price is literally pushing P. Did I look at this today? I looked at this yesterday with you guys actually as well. Yeah, at like 6-7 o'clock, I did say price should continue to push towards the upside, and that's what it's doing now. So yeah, this is what's basically happening right now with GBP USD. So it's pushing towards the upside. You want to take a look at NAS 100. Let's go. NAS 100 is one of those indices for me that I have it on my watch list, but I actually don't trade it as much as I should be trading it. Last time I looked at this, I said it was gonna go to these areas. We had an uptrend. Let me just confirm which chart that I had. Okay. Yeah, so NAS 100, basically the same as JER 30. We were expecting it to hit the round level number over here, as you can see, 16,000, and that's exactly what it did. So let's see what happens now. I have a lot of drawings on NAS 100. I had areas here of resistance turn to support, so I'm just going to translate that here, vice versa, boom, boom, boom. So as you can see, if I jump to the line chart, price is around the 1600. So just a quick note, if you don't know about indices or even anything, it likes to move in point ranges. So it moved here from the 15,000 all the way to 16,000. 16,000, the next target, if we get a break, retest, we know it's going to go to 17,000, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, for example, here it went from 13,000 to 14,000. 14,000 to 15,000. 15,000, it was shy to reach 16, so it kind of retraced back. In the meantime, we have other points inside the market that indicates other things, but overall I do think NAS 100 is bullish. If we see NAS 100 break and close below this area, then we're no longer bullish. So even if it comes back, even if NAS 100 comes back to retest here, it's all good. But if we have a break and a close like this, then yeah, it's invalid. So as it stands, personally, I think we are bullish on NAS 100. We also had a killer setup for the members on Monday, on July 30. And we had a second setup from yesterday, I believe. Yeah, we also had a second setup from yesterday. And we're aiming for 1s3. So our first setup was on Monday, Tuesday. We're targeting 16,000. Trade got hit. Nice 1s to 3.5. And now we're just doing the exact same thing again, as you can see. You can basically say we're trading with the trend. So let's go and see what US 30 is doing right now. US 30 is still pushing. And still 1s7 is what we're going for today. 1s7. Let's go. Don't need this arrow no more. We copped this in the 15-minute time frame, by the way, for anybody that's watching right now. We copped it while it was pushing up. Boom. the quiet part of the stream where we just watch the trade play out. Dennis, what do you mean? What answer are you looking for? You never told me about no answer. What was your question, Dennis? Oh no, so I did ask you, the question was what's your name? That was my question. I wanted to know what your name was. That's all I wanted to know, man. That's all I wanted to know. All right, guys. So although this is our target, let's not have that idea of instant gratification or anything like that. That it's gonna go straight to our TP. There is a high chance that since we are making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, there is a chance price might come back and then continue to push. So sometimes it's never just straightforward that it's just going to just go straight to your TP. Your boy Sam, what's happening? I'm trading every account. Literally. Every account. Currently waiting for a payout with the Forex Funder. A lot of people always ask me about their legitimacy and all those kind of things, so once I get paid out, we can fully verify how legit the Forex Funder is. Fingers crossed on the 10K. Fingers crossed indeed. It's not the fact that I'm waiting for a payout. It's the fact that my first trade was on the 30th of October. So I have to wait until the 30th of November. I've only got literally 1 week left of waiting. So it's not anything on their end or my end. It's literally just time. We're just time wasting right now. No problem, man. Hopefully the videos help you out as well, or anything like that. If there's any prop firm you are kind of worried about, send it to me. I'll get an account. I'll do a challenge. Pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and see if it's legit. But overall, I do think the Forex Funder is a really good prop firm. Like, they have literally the best deals right now. It's like my Forex funds left with the good deals, because the deals that my Forex funds had was crazy, guys. Literally, they had the best prices, in my opinion. Then they left. It was like a blessing in disguise, because now we have the Forex Funder. They're doing a crazy discount, 60% off. But one thing I feel like people need to remember, guys, is like all these challenges people take, the majority of people don't pass them. Majority. So put it this way. Even if my Forex funds was to do a free giveaway, sorry, the Forex Funder was to do a free giveaway for like a 500k account, and 10 people were to get this free giveaway, probably only 2 out of the 10 will actually pass phase 1 and phase 2 and get paid. A few people will pass phase 1, not pass phase 2. Some people will pass phase 1 and phase 2, then fail on the live account. Then some people won't even make it past phase 1. You know? So yeah. What do you think is the biggest thing stopping people from getting funded? I think it's instant gratification and risk management. Those would be the 2 things I really do think that's stopping people from getting funded. I feel like a lot of times, like when people enter trades, they expect the trade to automatically go to their take profit. Man, I ain't giving Dennis shit. With all due respect. Like, what you guys need to understand is that the Forex Funder is here. I am here. We're 2 different things, you know? Like, this is my channel. I'm just streaming as I do, giving you guys setups. So at this moment in time, like, I don't really care about if you guys are talking about giving away 10k accounts. But the thing is, I'm not doing no giveaways on this channel, guys. This is my personal channel. So if you want to talk about giveaways, I'll see you on the TFF stream. Okay, so you need to separate me from that. I am my own person that has my own YouTube account that does my own streams. In my streams, I don't do giveaways. I'm literally giving you guys away with good setups. So yeah, respectfully, guys. Respectfully. keep the giveaway stuff to TFF. Yeah. Because now I feel like a lot of people feel like I owe them. I get so many DMs with people, giving me paragraphs on how they deserve to win a giveaway. I'm just like, yo, first things first, it's a game of probabilities at the end of the day. And secondly, even when you trade, you should trade with no emotion. So don't text me all this emotional stuff, how you're going through it and all this. Man, we all have a sob story. I don't want to come across as rude. We all have a sob story, and I'm not falling for it. So yeah, keep that giveaway shit that way. But yeah, Sam, back to what you were saying. Yeah, so basically, that's what I think is stopping people from getting funded. And just another thing is the fact that I forgot what I was going to say. Impulsiveness. FOMO, that's another one. So we actually discussed this on our weekly calls. So every Sunday, guys, we have a call. It's a free call where we do market breakdowns for the upcoming week. It's really, really good. I'm going to drop the link here for the free Telegram. So don't be shy to join in. I'll see you guys on Sunday. We're going to cover some interesting topics. And we have a big surprise for you guys. It could be a giveaway. Who knows? So the poll results are in. 89% of people had a great week, had a good week so far. That is beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So right now price is on a bearish thing. Okay, so let's see how we are looking on our news sources. It's starting to calm down a little bit. Will our take profit get hit? Let's see what people think. I think the TP will get hit. So who doesn't think our TP is getting hit today, guys? I see we have one vote. Yeah, the session is getting quiet. And I think Sam had a question as well. How do you hold your trades longer? Like, how do you hold trades despite drawdown? And what time frame are you trading on? Yeah, so at this moment in time, I am on the 15-minute time frame. But the thing is, I trade on like the higher time frames, right? Yeah, so I trade on like the higher time frames. So for example, we'll go into the 4-hour real quick, yeah? So just basing off what I'm seeing or what I was seeing from the 4-hour time frame, since last week, if we just exit here and go to the line chart, we can clearly see prices low key making higher highs, higher low, higher high, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, I can see that we're bullish. On the daily time frame, so I'm just looking for bullish, you know, bullish pieces of structure. I'm looking for like a high, a low, a high, a low, a new high. We could have a low, but I think we got that tested or whatever. So then secondly, I'll just check where, like I'll check in with my Fibonacci and see if the fib settings line up. So for example, we had a trade this morning, yeah, which lined up with our fib areas of the 6180, 70, 860. So today's morning trade looked a little bit like this. So like sometimes this is the part I'm talking about when it comes to like instant gratification, right? People are afraid to hold a trade long because now they're in drawdown. They think the trade isn't going to work out. But tell me, like, I was in drawdown here, we had a wick rejection. I was in drawdown again. Then the next candle was purely bullish. So I was in drawdown for a while. All I'm looking to see is my structure points. So at that moment in time, yeah, all I'm seeing is if price breaks and closes below this area, it's a done deal. No longer trading that bias. But as you can see, price then shot towards the upside, and that was that. So even now, like with that 15-minute entry, this is literally one of the quickest analysis I've done in a while. Literally just hopped on the live a few minutes in. The second I saw US 30 here, I saw the higher high, I saw the higher low. So as you can see, I jumped from the 4-hour to the 1 hour, and now I'm on the 15. So even on the 15, the first trade was a 1:3, so it ended somewhere around here. But I'm targeting 1:7, you know. So this played out in 15, 30, 45 minutes, 3 candles. Tony Gold, it's good to see you. And yeah, John, TP will probably get hit, but maybe not today. So let's just clean up the charts a little bit. So we're just going to see how far and what's the potential of this trade. How far can we really push it? But before you jump into lower time frames, it's highly advisable that you actually take a look at what the higher time frame looks like. Because if you have the wrong analysis in the higher time frame, when you scale in, you're going to get burnt and caught. So beware. Fire. How much do you risk per trade? So per trade, it ranges from 0.5 to 1.5%. There's a range. And sometimes it literally just depends on how like solid the setup is. So if I'm looking to take a trade and I can see that the setup isn't the best, but I have the right bias, I'll probably do like a 0.5. But it's all a matter of preference. Nah, I actually don't trade crypto. I tried to get into it back in like COVID days, but I haven't really dabbled in too much or anything like that with crypto in the crypto world. But look, all I can say is never say never. I do believe at some point crypto is going to be one of my. I'm going to treat crypto like it's US 30. Okay, so price is not really doing anything special right now, guys. We have been on this stream for roughly 1 hour 30 minutes. Something like that. Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes, guys. I already showed you my projection on where I think US30 is heading. So I believe at this moment in time, I'm gonna drop the live. Unless you guys have any questions you wanna ask before I fly. 80% people think it will hit our TP, so let it hit the TP. Other than that, guys, speak now or forever hold your peace. And I will see you guys at the NY session with TFF tomorrow. Okay, perfect. Right, guys, I appreciate everybody that came through. Shout out to whoever actually entered these trades here with me. If not, next time. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining and all that kind of stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.